Sideways to the next life. What's up, guys? It's your boy Sideways here with another car audio install. Today I will be installing into a 2012 Dodge Grand Caravan without any amplified systems. Got my radio right here, this JVC radio. The dash kit that I'll be using is right here. This Metro dash kit right here. This is the kit. And I believe the model number of the kit is right on top. So it's the AAP651CR right at the top of that. That's the kit right there. Whenever that zooms in, if it doesn't, once again, that kit name is AAP651CR. That's the dash kit for this 2012 Dodge Grand Caravan. And also have the wiring harness here. This is the radio interface, and the model number on this is right at the back here, 0Y1NCH1. So that's the model number for the radio harness. All right, guys, so I'm gonna connect this and then I'll meet you guys in the Grand Caravan. All right, guys, now I'm in the van. I'm gonna remove this trim here with a flathead that's covering up the radios. Be 4 screws behind there. All right, the trim is now removed from the radio, and there's 4 screws. There is one there, one up there, one there, one there. I will remove all 4 of those screws. All right, guys, I got those 4 screws removed. Now I can pull out the radio. One moment. All right, with the radio pulled out, I just disconnect this harness right here, and the other one should fit flush.